David. I'm 2.5 weeks out, and this is what it's like to be me 2 weeks out. Alright, it's Monday, and I've got 2 weeks and 5 days until the show. So this is how the first day goes. When you lean out so much, especially during this time of the year, you get colder faster. My last show up until now, I think I've improved on the areas that needed to be improved. I got the upper chest, my upper back as well. Shoulders were good, they're okay. But I was told I needed to build more upper chest, and I think I executed that. Thanks to my coach, big Mexican brother, you man. Thank you. That's all I can say. God bless you. Thank you. Let's go do some cardio. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm done with cardio, and gotta go to Walmart to get some eggs and some food. Then I get to eat. And baby spinach. Gotta get some shrimp. Alright, let's grab one of these. Let's make sure it's not cracked. Alright. What is that? Boom. Boom. Alright. There he goes. Okay, so that's it for today. And you know what? All my days are pretty much the same, except for the muscle group. That's the only thing that changes. I do cardio in the morning, then I eat, 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 and then I work out. See? Not a lot going on here. Just a lot of working out, a lot of eating. That's my day. I don't know how people can do jobs and this at the same time. I mean, I used to work, I used to have a job and do this at the same time. But man, I don't remember that anymore. Alright, that's it. If this video made you smile, think, or laugh, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Alright, I'm David Lee.